Guys, welcome back to my channel, Get Fit with Chrissy. We are focused on fitness and lifestyle. In today's video, we're going to be doing a couple exercises to help, get that booty round and nice and perky for you. But we're not going to be using any equipment, okay? So it's just going to be all exercises without no equipment. Very easy to do from home. But before I get into it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification button so when I post, you'll be the first to know, okay? So the first exercise, guys, this one is called the wall hip thrust. So we're going to be lying down flat on our backs with our feet on the wall. We're going to be putting it a little bit of shoulder width wide. Okay, our hands going to be flat on the ground, and then we're just going to be going up as high as we can with our hips, and we're going to squeeze when we go up and then come down. Okay, so we're going to go up, we squeeze, and then come down. So we're going to do 3 sets of 10 for this one. Okay, guys? All right, let's go. Remember to squeeze.
You can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go,
7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job, guys. So let's move on to the next exercise, guys. This one is called the squat jack. So for this one, we're going to put our feet together. We're going to put our hand behind our head, and then we're going to jump out and squat and then come in. Jump out, squat, and then come in, okay? So for this one, we're going to do 3 sets of 8 for this one, okay? So remember, feet together, jump out, squat.
Be a slave, I've been doing shit my way, or the highway, and in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain, you never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain.
7 and 8. Great job, guys. So proud of you. Great job. So for the next exercise we're going to be doing, we're going to still stay in squat position, and when we come up, so for this one, you're going to put your hands together close beside your chest. We're going to get into squat position, and then when we come up, we're going to be on our tippy toe and squeeze. Okay, we're going to squeeze that glute to get it activated. Okay, so for this one, we're going to do 3 sets of 8. So let's go. Go in the squat position, tip, squeeze. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. 6,
I never answer to no, man, I still go.
7, and 8. Wonderful job, guys. So we are on to the final exercise. This one is called the glute kickback. So we're going to get on all fours. Make sure our hands are below our shoulder. We're going to kick up, getting that knee bent 90 degrees, going to go all the way up to the ceiling, okay? And we go to the top. So we're going to go 1, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And remember, guys, whatever we do to one leg, we have to do it to the other, okay? So we're going to do 8 on the left leg.
That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange
4,
bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts,
5,
turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts,
6,
put them on display, on repeat in your brain.
7, and 8. Great job, guys. You did such a wonderful job. So proud of you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification button so when I post, you'll be the first to know.